Are you tired of struggling with circuit theory? This is going to blow your mind. Affordable, expert-led online classes that bring clarity and confidence. With fees between just 20 to 30 USD per hour, you'll get top-notch instruction from R. Senthil Kumar, a senior assistant professor with a wealth of experience. This isn't just theory, it's practical, hands-on learning that will change the way you understand electrical circuits. From the basics of voltage, current, and resistance to advanced concepts like resonance and transient responses, our course covers it all. You'll learn to apply Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's laws, master network theorems, and even tackle three-phase circuits with ease. And the best part? Our interactive forums allow you to ask questions and engage with both peers and instructors anytime. Ready to upgrade your skills and boost your confidence? Visit www.researchprojects or email projects@gmail.com to sign up now. Let's make circuit theory simple and affordable together.